This is the StarCore wireless charging trim with ambient lighting, and it comes with a power cable in the box. Let's go ahead and get it installed. First, test fit the position. Then peel off the backing on the adhesive and press it into place around the center console wireless charger area. Next, use a trim tool or a small pry tool to tuck the light strip's wire into the gap underneath the glove box. Open the glove box. Grab the included power cable and plug one end into the connector from the light strip. Plug the other end directly into the USB port inside the glove box. Once the power is connected, the ambient light will turn on. And that's it. Installation is super quick and easy, and the vibe looks great.